No? You shouldn't be shy. See, we have a classmate here. Right?
I'm doing great. Say I'm great.
Very good. But next time, don't hide your face. Okay, but that's great. Very good. Great job, Enzo. Let's sing hello to Vivian. Let's sing hello to you. Let's sing hello to Vivian. Hello, and how are you? How are you today, Vivian? Very good. Great job. Vivian, this is Enzo. Enzo, this is Vivian. And our genre for this week is Caribbean. So, just because Enzo came in just today, I'm going to give you an overview. We usually listen to a particular genre for about 3 weeks, and then we change. Sometimes it's for 2 weeks, sometimes it's for 3 weeks. The novelty genres like Elvis or divas, we run it for 2 weeks. But for Caribbean, Pacific Isles, we have a lot. Actually, we run it for 3 weeks. So this one is going to run for 3 weeks. Is it your second week today for Caribbean?
Third, yeah, sorry.
For Caribbean, is it? Second week, yeah, second week. So one more week, and this is our second week for Caribbean music. These are songs from the Caribbean islands like Haiti, Jamaica, Martinique, Rio, and a whole lot more. So a lot of fast songs, a lot of upbeat songs. We're going to sing and dance. So I hope you guys will participate. Nabubulol si teacher. Participate with me. Aba, very good. Okay, everybody, our first song is, our first song is about the wind. We all know that in the Caribbean islands, it's quite windy.